In a remote jungle, there lived a beautiful bird named Aaliyah. With its colorful wings, every day Aaliyah scattered blossoms of tranquility across the horizon. Aaliyah, with its melodious song, brought joy to the heart of the jungle. One day, a sudden wind arose and carried Aaliyah to unfamiliar lands, where flowers no longer danced, and trees seemed to have lost the spark of life. With a hopeful look, Aaliyah began to sing. Its beautiful voice worked like magic, bringing life back to the weary hearts of this new land. Gradually, flowers bloomed again, and the trees opened themselves to the light and life.